Hi guys, welcome back after very long. I have reached Goa. I had to come to Goa for some work and I'm decided to wait over here for some time. Right now the lockdown is still on in Goa and the situation is like different. The shops are open till 3 and since it's monsoons, naturally all the shacks are closed, but now the shops also are closed. And in the evenings everything is so deserted, the roads are so empty and everything looks so different. So I am working from here now. I had to come here for some personal work and I've decided to wait back for some time. And I got Cruz and Jack with me too. This time I came by bus and they had a really bad time in the bus. So while going back, I'm going to go back by train or by plane so that they have a nice and comfortable journey. Cruz and this is my Jackson. It's evening now and my friend Urel is coming to pick me up and we are going to go for a walk on the beach or just to get some fresh air. So if you're looking forward to visit Goa, I'm going to show you what Goa looks like right now. And I don't think you should come right now because everything is empty, everything is closed. So you just have to hold on for some time. I'm in Candolim right now and this place which is usually so busy, and look how it looks right now during lockdown. It looks like this.
It looks like a graveyard.
Now there are like 5-6 vehicles on the road, but usually it's just 2 like see now, and all the shops are shut. So this is like some zombie land. It looks like there are zombies and people are not coming out that side. You want to come for a holiday, then you
should definitely come.
Shouldn't come now.
Should definitely come.
Okay, if you like to, all this roadside shopping and all this clubs and all the tourists and all this, if you want to see, then you are not going to get to see anything. All you're going to get is empty beaches, nice breeze. That is what we like. Cops do stop you sometimes if you're not wearing a mask and helmet. Otherwise, if you're just going to chill at the beach or anything, then it's okay. So curry house also shut. Veera said to show you all a very important place that's shut. You're not going to get any veg also, that's also shut.
I mean, there's Swiggy. You can Swiggy.
Okay, yeah. Swiggy and Zomato is on, so you can order.
This is Kingfisher Villa. Okay, so this is the villa that got seized. Vijay Mallya's villa.
Oh, that's Vijay Mallya's villa.
That got seized. It's so funny. Okay, so this part is the lower Fort Aguada and somewhere there is a higher Fort Aguada, but I think that's privately owned by Taj, so we can't actually go there and show you that. But this is like, I don't even know what this fort was used for before, but it's amazing.
You can Google and find out.
Yeah, please Google and find out. And just look at the sunset here, it's so pretty.
So this is all Taj property, like where Dural is booked for 2 hours. We'll go after some time. So now we're going to do some yoga and get a little high. And then after that we'll go for 2 hours.
Dude, if my mother sees this, she'll be like, what is wrong with you? So we're going to do yoga on the beach today. I mean, that's our plan. Let's see how that turns out.
So this is Lower Fort Aguada, and this is how the fort is. It's just a small round thing. A lot of people come over here for fishing. This is Taj's private beach.
Yeah.
But it's so bad. The public beach is better.
Yeah, I feel like we have to leave it now because
And that's Taj.
yeah, that's that. And I'm going to take you there. So from there you can go and visit other places now.
There's nobody, that's why I'm removing, okay? You don't remove the mask when it's crowd.
Yeah.
Okay, after doing a lot of Moana and Joanna and all these things,
Yeah, we are.
now finally we are thinking of doing some few yoga steps because it's yoga week.
Very uncertain.
Yoga day or yoga week?
योगा वीक है
Okay, yoga week है.
अपना तो एक
आज
योगा डे भी
कितना स्टेप सिखा रही है आज?
3500
अरे अभी कितना सिखा रही है?
अच्छा योगा स्टेप्स दो
Okay, only 2-3 yoga steps we're going to do now.
With yoga when you hurt your back and all different parts.
It's going to hurt different parts.
Yeah. So wait, you record us both do it together.
So,
And then you can delete now whatever you don't.
guys, today Dudal wants to.
So see, it's almost gonna be high tide now. If you see the waves, it's like crazy. Okay, so I just asked the lifeguard if we stay here for longer, will he save us? Because see, he has all that lifeguard surf and all that jazz. So I just want to make sure you know we can still drink.
But he said, where is he? Oh, see, he's there.
Yeah. So he was like, you'll have to leave before that
Okay,
happens.
he's there, and then he said, he's like, no,
You have to leave.
मेरा time हो गया, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ घर पे.
So technically we are on our own. This is going to be probably the last video of us.
No, now the water is just coming till here. There's so much more.
Yeah,
We can go from up also, and we can climb over the wires and we'll go, man.
Yeah,
We'll go
because we are
fast.
monkeys.
Anyway,
we are monkeys.
anyway, see, Dudal has booked a room in Taj, okay, just there. So even if we go, they're not going to say anything.
Yeah, exactly. It's private property of Taj, so we can just go there. I have my card. Ah, yeah. This is better. Now we were there, now we are going there. Are you saying that?
Now we were there, now we're going there.
Yeah. With me? Aja?
Okay, we just did one yoga pose. The second yoga pose we're going to go and do over there.
Are you sure? Oh, wow, this is all property of Taj actually. Pretty cool. So, one second. So I'll show you this place up here. Oh, can I show you this? Oh. Yeah, so we can walk up here and there's this other fishing zone on the other side. I'll just show you that 1 minute. There's so many people here. Usually this place isn't crowded at all. So here, walk